windshield.
I want to get all the way up in there. This is the fun, not so fun part.
What? Oh. I guess that's how you get out, huh?
Yeah. All right, Joe.
That's going to be interesting.
Need like a 10 millimeter.
How did it break?
Hauling it on the equipment, on the trailer, going down the road. Got where it was going, didn't have a windshield in it. What happens on these? It only takes one rock.
The glass that breaks into little pebbles like that, what kind of glass is that?
Tempered.
Tempered glass. Not like a normal windshield where it cracks, it shatters.
Yeah. They claim
Tempered.
in this situation it's safer to have this kind of glass in case something hits that windshield and moving. It'll shatter and fall out rather than coming in on them. I mean, it's still going to get on you.
Yes.
Laminated. They claim that it's more dangerous because it can come like
Right.
really on them. I don't know. I think they should be able to come up with something better than that. Which they have those that's like Lexan on the front of them. Those you ain't got to worry about getting broke, but they just get scratched up so easy. Well, not easy to scratch. Like this is gonna get in the woods and it's gonna get scratched.
Right.
Is that big enough?
Should be. And once it gets all scratched up, then you can't hardly see out. So can't see what you're doing. They mainly do the Lexan ones whenever they have them cutter heads on the front of them, because those cutter, the cutter head windshield, when they have the cutter heads, it'll stop anything coming through the windshield.
Right.
Regular glass ain't gonna stop it. So they all have their place, but technology, they're making everything else so fancy and something or other. They would think they could do something else with these windows on these. I mean, he wasn't even working, it was just going down the highway. Got to transport it, but probably going to keep him some kind of something to cover him up. I need a, give me the fork first and a scraper maybe. What's crazy is they got all this fancy stuff, windshield wipers and all that. I don't know anybody that runs one of these in the rain. I may be wrong. There may be somebody out there that say, "Oh, I run mine off," but
Well, it does have.
I don't know anybody that runs
Tracks on it.
Alright, so these two, you clean them up. Get all the glass out of them, and then that rubber comes apart. Got to put it through them holes on that. The two closest ones together. Get that back together. Then the big side needs to go to the inside of the window.
Big side needs to go to the inside of the window. Joe? Big side needs to go to the inside of the window.
So like this.
Yeah. If that's the inside.
It says on this.
Yep. Yep. Let me hold that for you.
How many of these got? The outside or the inside?
To take the rubber out, off,
Yes.
and put it in the little hole.
I can actually do it like this.
Yeah.
Fun, not so fun part.
And he's not off till at 2 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay. What about the other guy?
He's coming Wednesday around 1.
Okay. I know I got a work order on him.
Okay. Must not have a name on it.
Why are you asking me all these questions? I need all the questions. If I had time to be stopped answering questions, I wouldn't have called you to come up here. Don't get done in the glue.
No, I'm not.
Huh?
I'll tell you if you're about to hit the
I want to hear it though. You're about to hit it.
I can't believe they designed it where you have to take the whole thing off.
The speaker's in the way.
You have to take off the speakers?
That speaker up there in the way.
Yep.
How'd I get in there a while ago, Joe, without getting on the glue?
The glue wasn't there.
I knew you was watching.
Are you seriously gonna have to take off the speaker?
I ain't gonna have to take off the speaker, but I'm gonna end up getting in my glue. That stupid speaker's in the way! It's welded to the doggone roof.
So you couldn't even take the speaker off even if you wanted to?
Couldn't do it if I wanted to.
How?
Alright, I got the glass in there a while ago. I'm gonna just have to mess up my glue to get the glass in there again. Like that. Just like that. Mess up my glue.
Well, you got it in there, honey.
No, I
You
ain't
didn't
got
have
it
to
in
take
there
the whole
yet.
machine apart.
Ain't in there yet. Boy, these engineers. If I have a child of mine that says he wants to be an engineer, I'm gonna disown him.
No, you're going to teach him the right way to do it.
I'm gonna make him. I'm gonna make him work on everything he makes, builds. That's the problem. They don't have to work on none of the stuff they design. All right, so we got some glue.
It's not
Squish
too
out.
bad.
No, actually, yeah, I'm gonna have to put a little glue right there. But up in here, it didn't even have glue because there's nothing there.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Could have been a whole lot worse. You could have had to take the whole thing apart.
Oh, dang, I might have called him. Get this junk out of the parking lot. I'm gonna need Get them tools out of that. Can't help myself. Won't take pictures of you and nobody else.
Yep, that's about it.
Okay, Joe, them 2 screw things there actually have to screw in.
Oh, okay. I see.
See what I'm saying?
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
I love it when you wear your glasses. Reminds me of the good old days.
I couldn't see then, and I can't see now. Trying to line you up. Is it lined up? Looks like something's moving around up in there. Need to bring the top up. Top up. Yeah. There you go.
Beautiful day to go riding, honey.
Go right ahead. I'm working. Go on without me.
That sun is bright.
Yep. Yeah, it is. Fine then. Okay. Now,
It goes on the outside.
I'm trying to remember what these other 2 screws, these other 2 nuts are for. Oh. They go on them things that Joe screwed in there.
Oh.
What in the world are those for?
Leftover parts. They go somewhere.
So now I gotta undo it all again. I thought they actually screwed in there, but they don't. Alright, now. Get back out of the way. Let's try this again. You got this.
It acts like it wants to screw in there.
The top one's lined up. I don't know about that one. Push it down in there. There you go. Don't hit it. I'm getting in the glue somewhere. Alright. Like you have to hold your finger on it where it don't turn. Alright. Alright, now this piece, you know where that goes? Snug it up, just don't get crazy with it. Get jiggy with it.
Can't do that.
This is the nerve-wracking part.
Yep.
Because if you tighten it too tight, it's going to shatter.
That's a plastic nut, so.
All right.
No, it's because I'm tightening it.
That should be good. That pretty snug.
It's pretty snug, but yeah, that's good.
Yeah. All right. This goes on there. That goes on there. Pretty sure it's going to be pointed up when it ain't on. And nut. I don't have a cap. I don't guess it had a cap on it. Alright, did you bring me a place now? And I'll probably use it. That's gonna have to be it. Anything else is gonna make a bigger mess than this. Let it hang out like that right now. Huh?
Do you have to clean it?
I don't have to, I guess.
It's dirty again.
Huh?
It's gonna get dirty again, so might as well know it.
Yeah, it's gonna have to work like it is.
Pass inspection.